Hello, I am coming to you today from the Regent University campus. I am here with my youngest for a college preview weekend, and so I wanted to talk to you in this video about cardio. So last time I talked about how women over 40 were getting it wrong by not lifting heavy enough weights and basically prioritizing cardio over strength when they're trying to lose fat, right? So one of my biggest goals in coaching women is helping them with fat loss. So I by no means want you to think that cardio is the enemy. So I want you to think about cardio as being the passenger, okay, in a car, and weightlifting is the driver. So the passenger is not really like making all the shots, right? The driver's kind of making the shots, and this is where like strength training is the main driver in your fat loss, okay? But cardio definitely has its place, and you know, cardio is great for burning extra calories, for helping you with fat loss, but you don't want that to be your sole focus, okay? Because you want that to actually be like the add-on. So when you have everything kind of in place as far as strength training and you're really boosting your metabolism, your fat loss is going to be primed. Like you're going to be in fat burning mode by increasing your muscle. So increasing that muscle building and increasing that lean muscle is really the top priority. But cardio is great for your health, right? It is great for your heart. Think of it as pushing things on through, right? So like let's think of like when we're in a fat loss phase, we want to keep things moving. So this is where cardio is going to really help you with burning extra calories and burning some fat as well. But remember, in last video I talked about how muscle is going to continue to burn calories for like 24 to 36 hours after you're done with the workout. Cardiovascular is not going to do that, okay? So yes, it's a great addition, but it has to be strategic. So you need to know how much cardio to do, what type of cardio to do, and how that is going to add on. That shouldn't be like, if you have 30 minutes, should you lift or should you do cardio? You should really lift. You could incorporate some intervals, but the strength is the most important thing. So cardiovascular is important. It does help improve your fat loss. It's going to help you burn calories, right? But again, it's not going to burn those calories at rest like strength training does. So it has its place. And so there are so many pieces to the puzzle when it comes to fat loss. Those are just the first two that I wanted to talk about. So strength training is one, cardiovascular is your second, and then we want to touch on women over 40 and all of the things that are happening with hormones, with stress, and with sleep, and with nutrition. So we'll get to that in upcoming videos, but just a little bit of a next steps in what's very important for women over 40. And so I will be talking to you again on the next video. Thanks so much.